The e-learning center at Prince Sultan University presents this video tutorial on how to capture and record your screen. To begin, let's access the screen capture tool. Just navigate to the Tool tab, then select Accessories, and click Screen Capture. Here, you'll find 4 different types of screen capturing options to choose from. The first option is Full Screen. This allows you to capture your entire screen in one go. The second option is Window, which enables you to capture one window at a time precisely. The third option, Partial Section, permits you to capture just a specific part of your screen at your discretion. And finally, Freehand Selection gives you the freedom to customize your screen capture with utmost control. Now, let's move on to screen recording. To use this option, navigate to the Tool tab, then select Accessories, and you will find the Screen Recorder option. To enable audio, go to Settings before you start recording and click Enable Audio, then choose your device. Press the red circle icon to begin recording, and once you're done, click the square icon to stop recording. Once you stop recording, the Save window will appear. Save the recorded file as a Windows Media Video, and it can be played anytime you want. Thank you for watching, and if you need any further support, contact us through the following mediums.